up, everybody? Gary Reagan here, founder of Scars and Stripes 1776. If you guys haven't heard about us, we're a 501c3 charity that supports veteran and first responder mental health and wellness. And through one of our programs, we show up to the ride, which is Throttle Therapy for vets and first responders. So to help support that, we're going to be raffling off this YCF 150. Nice little pit bike. Thanks to Benton Courts for hooking us up with this. And our sponsors at Lisa Reagan Real Estate and Cross Country Mortgage. So they help put this all together. And then we have Jay Source from Source Media Productions, who's going to create all this content. He's the man behind the camera right now. Kevin Cycle and Division Graphics for hooking us up with all the gear and everything. So this raffle is going to be $20 per ticket. We're only going to sell 300 tickets, so your chances of winning are pretty good. So here we are at 5-Weight International, ripping around the YCF 150 pit bike that we're going to be giving away for $20 per ticket. Tickets going to be available at scarsandstripes1776.com. You can go online and buy them. You can reach out to any of the members from Scars and Stripes 1776. We'll have them in hand to be able to sell them to you. $20 per ticket, only 300 tickets sold, so your chances were pretty good. We'll have some awesome second and third place prizes as well. So check us out. But basically what purchasing this supports will be introducing a veteran or a first responder into the benefits of throttle therapy, which will get guys out there riding. Those of us who ride really know the therapeutic benefits of getting out there. It's a good fit. It's a positive outlet. So what we'll be doing is sponsoring guys to learn how to ride, whether through a different couple riding schools or just coming out with some of us and riding with some of our bikes and gear. So this is just the start of what we're going to be doing. We also hold peer support nights, which a lot more of those will be coming back up in the fall, where basically it's not a counseling session. It's just getting together with like-minded people with similar backgrounds and finding different positive outlets and ways to deal with the issues that people from our community face.